Are you dreading the sneezes, sniffles, and itchy eyes that autumn brings? Do you find yourself reaching for tissues more often as the weather cools? If so, you're not alone. Autumn can be a challenging time for allergy sufferers, and the office can often make things worse. But don't worry, with some proactive cleaning, you can make your workspace a sanctuary from seasonal allergies. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. In this video, we're uncovering the most common allergens found in offices and providing a comprehensive cleaning checklist to combat them this autumn. You'll learn practical tips to reduce dust, prevent mold, and ensure fresh air circulation, helping everyone feel comfortable and productive at work. Watch on to discover how a few cleaning tweaks can make a big difference in your office this season. Identifying common office allergy triggers. To tackle allergies effectively, it's important to know what triggers them in the first place. Offices can be a hotbed for allergens, from dust mites to mold spores. Let's look at the most common culprits. Dust mites. Dust mites are tiny creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments and can be found in carpets, curtains, and upholstery. They're a major cause of indoor allergies, and their droppings can trigger sneezing, itching, and respiratory problems. Have you experienced dust mite allergies in your office? Share your experience with us in the comments. Pollen. Pollen from trees, grass, and weeds can easily enter an office through open windows or on clothing. Once inside, it settles on surfaces and becomes a significant trigger for hay fever and asthma. Do you or your colleagues suffer from pollen allergies? Let us know how you cope during peak seasons. Mold spores. Mold spores thrive in damp conditions and can be found in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. They release tiny spores into the air, which can cause severe allergic reactions, including sneezing, coughing, and even skin rashes. Have you ever noticed mold in your office? What steps did you take to remove it? Share your tips below. Other common triggers. From cigarette smoke and fumes from cleaning agents to animal dander and scented products, many other factors can contribute to office allergies. Being aware of these can help you take targeted action to reduce their impact. Effective cleaning strategies to reduce allergies in the office. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to watch more. Now that we've identified the main culprits, it's time to look at some effective cleaning strategies to minimize these allergens. Preparing for cooler weather. As the weather cools, it's crucial to prepare your office for the seasonal change. Start by ensuring all heating systems are working efficiently, and clean the filters to prevent dust and allergens from circulating. Consider using air purifiers with HEPA filters to capture fine particles that can trigger allergies. What steps do you take to prepare your office for autumn? Share your ideas in the comments. Tackling mold and mildew after summer humidity. Autumn often brings increased moisture, which can create the perfect environment for mold and mildew. Pay special attention to areas that are prone to dampness, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and window sills. Use mold-resistant cleaning products and ensure good ventilation in these areas to keep humidity levels in check. Do you have any tips for preventing mold in the office? Let us know how you keep it at bay. Preventing the buildup of seasonal allergens. Seasonal allergens can build up quickly if your office cleaning routine isn't thorough enough. Here's how to stay ahead of the game: regular dust removal. Dust all surfaces, including desks, shelves, light fixtures, and air vents. Make sure to use a microfiber cloth, which is more effective at trapping dust than traditional dusters. Deep clean carpets and upholstery. Carpets and upholstered furniture can trap allergens like dust mites and pollen. Schedule a professional deep clean to remove these hidden triggers. Maintain proper ventilation. Good ventilation is key to keeping the air fresh. Open windows when possible, use air purifiers, and regularly check ventilation systems to ensure they are functioning correctly. Have you tried any of these methods? Share what has worked best in your office. Additional cleaning tips to prepare your office for autumn. As we transition into the cooler months, a few extra cleaning steps can make your office more comfortable for everyone. Window and floor maintenance. Autumn brings more rain, which means more mud and moisture being tracked into the office. Regularly clean windows to remove pollen and other allergens that may have settled over the summer. Place mats at all entrances and encourage employees to wipe their feet to reduce dirt and allergens. What's your strategy for keeping floors clean during wet weather? Share your tips in the comments. Organizing and decluttering for a fresh start. A cluttered office can make cleaning difficult and allow allergens to accumulate. Take the opportunity to declutter desks, shelves, and storage areas. Organizing your office not only makes it easier to clean but also creates a more pleasant working environment. How often do you declutter your office space? Share your thoughts on keeping things tidy. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.